Hello everyone, so I want to break down trade that I took today on NQ. First of all, you can see during London session we are creating a channel right here. I drew up my support zone, the first one right here and the second one right here. Also my resistance zone is right around this area. I waited for New York open, which is around this candle. We came back, retested the support zone and shoot back up. I didn't enter the trade on this candle. I want to see a big flat candle with no wicks underneath it to close above the resistance zone. As soon as this candle closed, I waited for the second one to form as a flat candle as well, and I entered my trade right around here and my stop loss right below this candle. Um, I exited the trade right around like 1 to 2 hour or slightly more. We ended up trailing our trade and hit the stop loss and profit right around this week. It's so simple and very effective. Let me know if you need any help with it. I'm gonna help you. Thank you for watching.